Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's session, and our today's tutorial is going to be on logarithm. So I hope we learn together from each other.
You can see the topic is going to be the simplifications of logarithmic expression. So example, simplify the following. The first one, which is 2 log 4 into base 2 plus log 8 base 2. And then the second one is 3 log 8 base 24 plus 3 log 3 base 20. So this is the first question given. Therefore, we are going to simplify it. From here, we are going to make this one to express in initial form. We know that is the same as power 2. Here we have 2 log 2 raised power 2 base 2 plus here also can be expressed in initial form, that is log 2 raised power 3. We know that 2 times 2 times 2 is the same thing as 8, which is the same thing as 2 raised power 3, and here we have our base here. So from here, this implies that this 2 will come back here, will become 2 times 2 log 2 base 2, then plus also if this 3 come here, based on the we are going to have 3 log 2 base 2 because when you have log a raised power b is the same thing as b log a. So this is our reason. So this is one of the law of logarithm that we have. So almost the third law of logarithm. So now from here, this is the same thing as we know log 2 base 2. When the number and the base are the same, therefore it's going to be 1. Therefore here we have 2 times 2, which is the same thing as 4 times here, because here is 2, here is 2. Log of 2 base 2 is the same thing as 1, therefore times 1. Then from here also we have 3 times. Here log of 2 base 2 is the same thing as 1. Therefore, because let's write the reason here. That is because log of b base b, that is when number and the base are the same, is the same thing as 1. This is our reason, which implies that 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 times 1, which is 3. The final answer is 7. So this is the second question, which say 3 log 8 base 24 plus 3 log 3 base 24. So here I'm going to solve this one in different methods to this one, which this one also can be solved in the method I'm going to use right now. So here, from here I can carry this one to here, that is to say log 8 raised power 3 base 24 plus this one 3 will be carried also there, that is log 3 raised power 3 base 24. So this is our reason, that is because when you have let's say a log b is the same thing as log b raised power a. So we have taken one of those laws we discussed in our previous video in reverse order. So from here you can see that this 8 raised power 3 is the same thing as 8 times 8 times 8, which is the same thing as let's say log of 8 times 8 times 8 is the same thing as 512 plus also this log of 3 is the same thing as log of 27, because 3 raised power 3 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3, which is the same thing as 27. And then our base, we have 24 here, we have 24 here. So from here also this one we are going to multiply this one by this one based on the product law. We have taken the product law in reverse order. This is the same thing as log of 512 times 27, and then we have this 24 here. What's our reason? Our reason is going to be, that is when we take the multiplication law in reverse order. That is, if you have log m plus log m plus log n is the same thing as log m times n. So this is what we've applied here. So from here this is the same thing as when you multiply this one, that is using calculator or whatever. So therefore you are going to have this, you are going to have 13,824. So when you multiply 512 by 27, this is what you are going to get. And then from here, this 13,824, you find out that it's the same thing as log 24 raised power 3. That is 24 times 24 times 24 will give us 13,824, which we have base 24 here. Cool. From here, this one will come here, that is to become 3 log 24 base 24. What is our reason? That is because when you have log b raised power a is the same thing as a log b. This is our reason. So also from here, we know that this one and this one is the same thing as 1. This is the same thing as 3 times 1. Cool? Because this number and the base are the same. So what is our reason here? We'll say that because this log, that is log a base a is the same thing as 1. So this is our reason, and the final answer is equals to 3, because 3 times 3 is the same thing as 1. So now, this ID exercise we are going to do. The first one, simplify the following. The first one is log of 10 base 2 minus log of 5 base 2. And then this one is log of 5 base 20 minus log 2 log 0.5 is 20. Here is minus. The one I solve has plus, but this one's have minus. Therefore, you should think of the laws of the quotient law. Here we are going to apply quotient law in this one.